Not just a mother. Sa corporate setup, may mga company na liability ang tingin sa isang babae kapag naging isang ina. Lalo na yung mga nag apply sa work after how many years of being a stay-at-home mom. At ang work experience ay pagiging nanay lang. Ang tanong, bakit may lang? When a woman becomes a mother, hindi nawawala ang kanyang kakayahan. Ang pagiging ina ay hindi din pagkawala ng identity, kundi pagpapalalim nito. Sa Proverbs 31, hindi sinabi na ang babae ay malakas, marunong at may takot sa Diyos bago maging nanay, kundi nagiging ganito siya habang ginagampanan niya ang maraming papel kasama na ang pagiging ina. She may not have the same schedule, but she has the same skills, maybe even sharper. She leads her home, builds character in her children, manages time and resources, and speaks wisdom over her family. Hindi siya liability. She's an asset. Sa bahay, sa church, sa community. Hindi madali ang maging nanay. Walang sweldo, walang day off, pero araw-araw may impact. Invisible but invaluable. Lahat ng ginagawa nila, from washing the dishes hanggang sa pagdadasal sa gabi para sa kanilang anak, ay pagsunod sa tawag ng Diyos. God sees mothers. Their silent sacrifice is not in vain and is not forgotten. Sa Proverbs 31, pinupuri ng kanyang asawa at anak ang babae dahil deserve niya ito. Nanay, hindi ka just a mother. You are God's partner in raising the next generation. You are clothed in strength and dignity, and the work you do, it's holy. Let's pray. Lord, I pray for all the mothers who are struggling now. Will you remind them that they are not forgotten at mahal na mahal mo sila? Bigyan po ninyo sila ng mas marami pang lakas at pangunawa as they raise up the next generation according to your wisdom. May nanay ka bang kailangang i-remind na hindi siya just a mother? Send her a message today. Sabihin mong mahalaga siya at ang ginagawa niya ay may eternal impact. Iginagalang siya ng kanyang mga anak at pinupuri ng kanyang kabiyak. Proverbs 31:2. This is Iko Gonzalez. We love you mga nanay. God bless you.